How are you?
Good.
Hey, it's Thursday. I'm good. One day closer to Friday. Thursday.
I wish it was Friday though.
Yeah, but good morning. But at least it is one day closer to Friday, you know? At least it's not Wednesday. It was yesterday. Alright, Clay, you ready? Ready, Clay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. What do these two have in common?
5.
No, 5 won't go into 2.
2.
2, and what else? What else do they both have? The X, there you go. Alright, here we go, Autumn. So if I take out a 2 and an X, what do I have left? X minus, what's 10 divided by 2? 5, Calvin, very good. Okay, here we go. Because it equals 0, what do you do? Right down the middle. Cut it. Right there. 2x equals 0. X minus 5 equals 0. Now what? Add 5. So x equals 5. Then what do I do? By 2. Very good. And oh, 0 divided by 2? You got to divide. There you go, 0. You try to subtract it. All right, what about number 2? What do these two have in common? What goes into 8 and 24? 8. A to the 4, Catherine. Very good. B to the 2. Very good. All right, here we go. What's 8 divided by 8? 1. You took out the A to the 4. You took out 2. 1B. 1B. You took out the 8. Plus, what's 24 divided by 8? 3. And then 1A left. Very good, Catherine. Very good. Okay, what about number 3? What do they have in common? 5. Do they have a W? No, the last one doesn't have a W. All right, here we go. So that would be W squared plus 5W minus 1. Very good. All right, here we go. You ready? Okay, so you have a graph. Y equals 2x plus 7. I know it has been a while, guys, but what button do you hit to graph?
Oh, the graph button.
No, not first.
Second.
No, not first.
I can see that.
Guys, my finger's right there. What button is that? Come on. Y equals. All right, what's it say first? What's the first equation they give me? 2x plus 7. All right, what's the other one it gives me? 2x plus 1, right? All right, now what do I do to graph? Hit the graph button. Okay, so what happens? Let's see. Let's wait for it to think. Okay, so what happened to the graph? From here to here, what happened to it? How did it move? It went down, right? So which one says that it goes down?
D.
D, right? It went down. See how easy that was? You just had to look at your graph. Yeah.
I have like a serious question.
What?
Okay, so like in everyday life, like when we graduate from high school, what is the point of this?
The point of this is that you learn how to think and work and graduate high school. Because when you get to your job, you're going to have to learn new things, and you're going to have to learn how to think through them, and you're going to have to learn how to work through them and do things that you're not used to doing. Also, the point of this is that you live in this great country called America. So we prepare you to be whatever you want to be. So if you want to decide later in life to go back to school, you've already had some of this stuff, so you already kind of know how to do it. See, in other countries, they tell you what you're going to do. You have to do this job, or you have to do that job, or you have to do that. You don't get the opportunity to go to school.
Or you can't find a job.
Or you can't find a job, yep. So, but the reality for most of you, to be honest, to be like completely real with you, most of you, you're going to learn the process of working through things that you don't know how to do. That's the main thing it teaches you. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm being completely honest with you. Yep. All right. Yeah, because some of y'all may not use this stuff. And
I
then
think I was going to use it either. Now I use it all
Yeah.
the time. You know?
sometimes you use things you don't really realize you're using them. Like, have you ever weighed like a cat or a dog or a baby or something, and you have to weigh yourself first,
Yeah.
and then you pick the baby up and you weigh and you subtract them?
Yeah.
That's an algebra equation. You just don't realize you're doing it.
Well, I mean, I want to be a dermatologist.
Oh, you're going to need some definite math then, which you can do. Sometimes you just don't want to do it, though. You definitely are capable of doing it, though. Yes, ma'am. No. When we get finished, yes, you may. Because we're starting something new today. All right, y'all ready? We're going to start something new. Aren't y'all glad we're starting something new? I'm so tired of doing the same stuff over and over. Were you talking about doing something? I thought you were going somewhere.
They don't have a spot till next week.
So next week?
Yeah.
I think that might be better for you, because I think
I'm going to have had a great day.
you work better when
Great
you're
day.
not
Mine
on
is great
your own
day.
pace, and you're not like stuck
Douglas,
behind
great day.
everybody or stuck in front of everybody kind of thing.
You're
So I
going to
think that'd be good for you.
Cameron, just whatever. You don't want to be part of our group. We don't really want to talk to him. Don't talk to him. Don't talk to him. He's on the English side. Left foot. Patriot went over to the English side. Been in there all day.
Seems like you've been a little sleepy. Yeah. Have you? I did last week. This week I've been not so good about getting sleep. You did? What? All right, Clay, you ready? Okay. All right, guys, you ready? Will, you ready?
Everyone just keys.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. All right, here we go. Number one. Because you weren't in your seat. You walking around all over my room.
Finished with the whole thing?
No, we're just building. We are not finished with it yet. All right, here we go. So, what do these have in common?
The
2. This last one doesn't have a U. All right, here we go. So if I take out a 2,
U two,
then
and
minus
10 U.
10. Very good. And then minus, how much is that one? 24. Very good. Okay, now we're going to build. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, cover up the 2 with your finger. You ready? Pretend like he's not there. Oh, we've done this before. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, hold on. Ready? Okay, cover up the 2. Pretend like he's not there, right? Okay, it's the same thing we've been doing. Factors of 24. What's the factors of 24? 1 and
24.
24. 2 and 12. 3 and
6.
3 and 8, Clay. Very good. 4 and 6. Very good. Ethan, was that you? Very good, Ethan. All right, so which one adds or subtracts to be negative 10?
3 and 8.
3 and 8 gives me 11.
No, 4 and 6.
4 and 6 would give me positive
12 and
12 and 2. How does 12 and 2 give me negative 10? Which way? Which way? 2 by 12. Ethan, look what happens when you participate. You got them problems right every time. All right, what kind of 2 is that? Positive. What kind of 12 is that? And look, the only thing new, you ready? You bring down that 2. Bless you.
Oh, really?
That's the only thing new for today.
Okay. That's kind of easy.
It is kind of easy. All right, let's do number 2. You ready?
Yes.
What do they all have in common? 4 and Q. Ethan, I'm so happy you're participating today. You have no idea how happy that makes me.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh. He's been a little upset for a couple of days. All right, here we go. You ready? Divide by 4. What do you get? 1. And how many Q's? 2. All right. What about 40 divided by 4? 10. Look at him go. He's flying. How many Q's? 1 plus. What's 36 divided by 4? 9. Very good. 9. All right. Here we go. You ready? The only thing that's new is I'm going to cover this up, 4Q up. Pretend like he's not there. Take your hand, cover him up, right?
9 and 1.
9 and 1 gives me 9.
Add them.
And what else? 3 and 3.
9 and 1.
Add 9 and 1. Very
Give
good.
you 10.
All right, what kind of 9 is that? Positive.
They're both positive.
What kind of 1 is that?
Positive.
And the only thing new,
Is that you bring down the number.
look at you go. Are y'all okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Factoring is a huge thing, okay? We've still got many things to learn. All right, y'all try number 3. You ready? Go. Go, go, go. Try number 3. I know. Man, they could have. Ethan knows his factors like ain't nobody business. Alright, be careful on that one, okay? Get on them. So what is 3, 15, and 18? Pull those in all 3. 3, pull to the front. Okay, right, so if you take out the 3, that'll be K squared.
3. There's not a K in this one. You can't do K. So back out of 3. There's not a K in each one of them.
And then minus, what's
There's
8
not a K in that. There's not a K under top one.
Huh?
3.
You should have to, look, you got to
Let's
show
start to put a
educational.
C. 3 over 3. 49, right? How about the K squared? Bring it down. Minus what? He does 3 going to 16.
Look, I'm so proud of you, motherfucker. Thank God. Normally, it's like when your mom tells you to take your little brother and you forget it, you're in trouble. Sweet. Okay, now for number 3. Factors of 6. And subtracting -5. There you go, you already got it, right? That's 6. Just bring your 3 down. Okay, that's 6. So it's A.
Oh.
6.
Take your cheap print C.
You want 6 first.
Cheap print C.
The only thing
You got a K and K. Put it in there.
Okay. It's pretty
Put
simple.
K right there.
Okay?
Now what? Put the back sign. Is it negative? Put a plus and a minus.
Oh, so the other one.
What's the multiple of the 6 that's subtracting to be 5? 6 times 1. Which one has to be bigger? The negative or the positive? Negative. The 6 right? The negative. Put the 6 there and the 1 there. Come on. Bring your what down? Your 3. You're done. Just say your stuff. What'd you do?
Alright, you gotta take out a 3, what's left?
So what do you have right there?
Minus.
That's the negative. That's the
Be quiet, my nigga.
what?
Okay.
Get it? Get it?
Yes, sir.
I already put it before. Get it?
Alright, y'all ready to learn the new stuff at the bottom? Y'all got this. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. Number 4. Alright, cover up the 0. What number goes into all 3 of them, Alfredo? 2. Do they all have an X? Nope. Alright, here we go. Bring your 2 out. Alright, what's left when I take out this 2? X squared minus 8x plus 15. And then what's it equal? Ooh. Okay. Alright, here we go. You ready? Same thing. Put your finger over the 2. Same thing we've been doing, right? Factors of what number? 15 is 15 and 1. There you go. What else? 3 and 5. 5 and 3. Doesn't matter the order.
You already have it.
Which one?
Oh, no. Keep going, keep going.
No, that's all there is.
So you have 3 and 5.
3 and 5. How's it give you negative 8? Oh, that gives me 2.
Negative 3 and negative 5.
And negative 5. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, the only difference is you just bring this 2 down. You ready? Everybody ready?
Yes.
Because it equals 0, what do you do? Right down the middle. Okay, pretend like that 2's not there. Where do I cut it? Right here where we've been doing it, right? I know. Alright, so we got 2x minus 3 and x minus 5 equals 0. Same thing we've been doing, right? Alright, this one's easy. Let's do this one first. How do I move it? Add 5. X equals 5, yep. Alright, how would I do this one? How?
2, 3, 3.
So 2x minus 6. What would I do?
You add 6.
Yep.
And then you divide 6.
No, not divide by 6. By 2.
Yeah, and it will be 3.
Yep. Good?
Yes, ma'am.
We just put, all we're doing is taking 2 things we've done and putting them together. That's it. Alright, y'all try 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Ooh, 5 doesn't equal 0. How do you move it? No. How do you add the 40? There you go, Autumn. There you go. Add the 40.
You can 10. Right.
No, you can't combine those. One has a P. So which one, what are you going to write?
You're just going to put it in there.
Okay, what would you write first? Tell me.
Yeah, you're going to do 30, negative 30p.
Not first.
Okay, 5p to the second.
Uh-huh.
Minus 30p.
Uh-huh.
Plus 40.
Equals?
0.
Perfect. There you go. Perfect.
Got it all right? Do that for me real quick. Add that 40 over.
This is where we haven't done one like this. This is where
That 5 out first, right? Always do that first.
we haven't done one like this, have we?
Like what?
Where you have a 5 or any other number besides p squared in the front? We haven't done one like that.
Well, we've done 4 of them.
Have we really?
Yeah, you can do a GCF.
Oh, now you back from I'm sorry. Now you won't back for us. No, we don't.
There you go. See how much smaller that is?
What we're doing each one is 5.
No. You're out. You're fine.
Did you factor out a 5?
Monday, we're gonna start.
So you get p squared minus 6p plus 8. Do that one? What's that?
Coach, on Monday, we're gonna start doing ones with a number. Yeah, we ain't got that yet. Good? Get it?
Mahe, ¿cuánto es de 40 y un eso? 8. ¿Por qué 8? Tenemos negativo 3. ¿Cómo si? Responder mejor. La respuesta es 5. La de los 5. Mira que lo metimos de nuevo los dos.
You got this?
Sí. Sí,
I'd love to help. Yes.
Oh yeah, for that. That will be 4 and 10.
4 and 10.
4 and 10.
4 and 2. You're not doing 40, you're doing 8. Alright, so now, if you're in great shape, do some points. Now, what can I factor out of this? 5, right? There's nothing. 5, 1, have 1. Take the smallest one. 5 is 1 and 5, what do you look at? E squared, right? 5 is 1 of that. 6 times, right? And so you have 1 E. 5 is 1 of that, 8. Now you gotta factor this out. E and a P. Now look at your back sign. Is it positive? So it's gotta be the same sign. Here you have a plus plus or negative negative. Since it's a negative here, we know it's going to be negative. What are multiples of 8 to add up to be 6?
Lo mismo hicimos, pero no te lo puedes
Alright guys, Jackson's putting up number 5 for us. There you go, Montez. Now, what do they all have in common? What number goes into all 3 and 6? Go. Very good job, Ethan. What number goes into all 3 and 6? 5. So do your 5 right here. Open your parentheses. Alright, so that's 5 here. What's that? P squared, right?
Squared minus 6p plus 8 equals 0.
6.
Sí, la cagamos porque no necesito todo el tratamos de yo te quiero sacar compound. Sí, dice que te
Same sign.
Also got to add or subtract
-8.
6. Which one adds, which subtracts, which
The opposite of 394.
Got off. Are you finished with number 6?
I mean, like, no, but like,
When you finish 6. Oh, you could already finish. Finish your homework real quick. Move that over to the other side. How you do that?
Ahorita te saco.
Okay, so these two aren't like, right? Look at all the other ones. What number is supposed to come first?
Yeah.
Square. Alright, look at all the other ones. Which one comes next?
You text it. You better be watching.
Look at this one. What comes first?
Yo te gané una también. Vamos empate ahorita. Yo te metí arriba en el otro también. Pero por chismo.
Alright, what number goes into all 3 of them?
Where?
Alright, over 15. And be what?
Just when you take it, just get about it.
Erase that, it's not 0.
Oh, this is.
Come on.
Oh, okay, my bad. Yeah, go
Erase
ahead.
that.
My bad, what?
Alright, Alfredo, do you have number 6 done?
It's 3 to 5.
I have a.
What? When did I have conflict?
And it says 8 times what? 5 minus.
I don't know.
Okay, good.
I don't know.
Oh. Okay, look at all the other ones. Look at all the other ones. Look at this one.
What?
Let's come first.
Why equals 5? Yes, that's 5.
There you go. So you can cheat, look at all the other ones. Okay? Alright, now find what goes in all 3 of them.
The 6.
The 6, 46 to the front. Okay,
Llamarle el otro y lo voy a grabar. Llamarlo maestro, lo voy a grabar. Sí. ¿Te ves?
Hey, ¿cómo es la 2? ¿Cómo es la 1? Okay, look at all these other ones. Look at this one right here. What's supposed to come first? In your face. You swear, right? Take it off. You got it there? Okay?
Sí, lo tomas.
Alright, guys, we get your homework done? We got number 6. Yeah, finish number 6. Go.
look at this one. What's supposed to come first in your case? In your case.
You can do it.
That's the way you get it.
Now you have. Okay. One of your problems. Now, use all the other ones that are already there to cheat and figure out what.
He's one of the 456.
Hey, hey, nobody.
Just one of that 9.
Zero, nine, six.
Positive end, plus x and plus plus, what's more equal to 9 out of 10? 9 times
Look at you, princess.
1.
50.
That's your 6, so that's distributed. 6 times G, 6G, or 6 times 9.
You finish your homework, Peter? Ethan, you finish your homework? No? You get it? You got some paper? Need some? Yeah? You got in here? You did. Yeah. Yeah. You didn't just straight up, you still got the same. Yeah, you'll still get the same answer. We were actually supposed to cut it twice, but I'm gonna keep the simple things. Yeah, you'll always get the same answer.
So it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah. You're supposed to say that 6 does not equal 0, but I don't wanna use them, so it still works the same way, so we just still do it the same way. But yeah, it still works. Good? Are you asking me? Yeah. There you go. All right, got your own. Oh, yeah, did you finish your homework? Yes, ma'am. Oh, homework? I was like, man, that was fast. Only 4 problems.
Yeah.
Get on our homework. Have you finished the last one? You did the last one?
Make some room. Here, I'll do the writing, you do the talking. I will do this, I will do this over. It's already distracting. What's in the background?
Oh, that's nifty.
What can I do here?
All right, Captain.
Multiples of 9 out of 10.
Please flag when I start.
Acá llegamos al 10 y no salió, no salió. Se me perdieron las hojas. No, sí, es que no sé dónde las.
Wow. What about your W? What about your W? No, we're already pretty six.
Alright, I'll finish it. Yep, we can go back. Alright. You went back? Okay, alright, what about your homework?
Now, 8 times 6, right? Which one is the negative?